Fiberglass is a dimensionally stable product, and since it's made out of glass, it expands and contracts the same rate as the glass that it's attached to. It comes pre-finished in a certain number of colors, so you can go a little darker with that. Since you don't get that expansion and contraction, the finish holds on it quite a bit longer than it does on some other products. Aluminum is probably one of the stronger materials that's used. In Minnesota with the cold, you want to make sure that the aluminum windows that you choose have a good thermal break from outside to inside, so that cold doesn't conduct inside the home. They're a little bit more higher end aluminum windows are. You can do a little more things with them. And then vinyl windows would be by far the most popular, but that's pretty much a cost choice. Vinyl windows are considerably less than those two options, but limitations on design, performance, they perform pretty well initially, but over time they break down faster than the other two. Cost is kind of what drives people into one of those three categories. Aluminum is usually the most expensive, fiberglass is a middle of the road, and then vinyl's the least expensive options. With the aluminum windows, you have pretty much unlimited design options because you have that strength of the aluminum with the wood interior, and so you can build whatever you want to with those.